Hey, what's up guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video, and if you're new to this channel, you can smash on subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video you guys will be notified. So in this video we'll be reviewing the Ideogram.ai and how you can actually use it and if it's actually worth it, because even me myself, I'm just curious because I'm trying to look for an AI tool which of course I can use to create different kind of image and thumbnails for YouTube video like that. So then I figured out from one tool to another before I find out Ideogram, and after testing it out I can see that it actually looks more unique than some other tools that I have found out there. And I'm going to be creating a live thumbnails with Ideogram so you can see what these tools is actually capable of. And of course on the explore page right here you can also see some image pictures that Ideogram have created from different people who are trying out the software. So then we'll also say in this video if it's actually worth it, and we're also gonna check on the pricing plan so you can know which plan you actually go for. So this for personal and this for business. So if you want for business, you're going to be paying $25 per month, and if you want for personal, so there's a free one which of course I'll be making use in this video. And for the basic, I think this $7, $16 and $48 for the yearly plan. And if you want to go for the monthly plan, so you're going to be paying $8 for the basic plan, for the plus plan $20, and for the pro plan $60, as you can see right here. So but if you want to go for the yearly plan, so you can just select the basic and then you can test it out with this $7, and you can also use the link in the description to sign up on Ideogram. All right, so let's go back to the home page, and then I've already do one particular designs and let's see what I have. Right, so I think it's on these collections. Right, so this is the image that I generated, and with just 2 credits I was able to get this 4 image. And what I'm trying to create a video, and I need a thumbnail for that particular video, so then it suggests me these thumbnails. So you can see this one right here. So this is DJ Khaled actually, but then you can see this one don't really look close to DJ Khaled. So but this one does, you can see this one does, but then this particular third one doesn't. Right, so this is an AI, you know. So you can see this one also more like DJ Khaled, right? And this another one, this is the 4th one, and I think this one also look more of him, but then there are some things that doesn't really look so well, just like this Fat Joe, and this particular head right here doesn't look like one, right? But then out of the tools that I've tried out, I think this one looks more unique and stand out compared to some other tools, which of course I'm not going to be mentioning some of them, right? But then we're going to be talking about this particular tools right here. So now and based on the thumbnail you see on this video, of course I will also be using these tools to create the thumbnail, right? So and the title I want to be giving my video is Ideogram.ai review, the best AI thumbnail generator. So then here I'm gonna be giving it my prompt, so I'll be using ChatGPT to get my prompt to use on Ideogram. So I'm gonna be opening my ChatGPT account, and I also have a pro ChatGPT. Of course it can also free account can also work, but then I'll be using the pro version. So probably I'll be getting an outstanding prompt that will definitely work for what I actually need on Ideogram. So let me add to my ChatGPT account. All right, so I'm currently on the ChatGPT account, so I'm gonna input my my prompt. So I want you to create a well detailed prompt for my thumbnail the video is about Ideogram review 2025, or Ideogram review, then the best AI thumbnail design so far. That would be the title of my video. I want a curiosity in the thumbnail and make it stand out. All right, so this will be my prompt to generate another prompt for my image, right? So let's see what this got. All right, so you can see it's suggesting some tools that I can also use to generate the thumbnail. You can see Midjourney, DALL-E, so but then I'm not going to use any of that. But then it also gives me some details on what how it generates the prompt for me. So I'm gonna copy the prompt, then paste it to my ideogram. All right, so I'll be pasting the prompt on my ideogram. So you can see, create a bold and modern YouTube thumbnail that sparks curiosity. Center a sleek mock-up of a thumbnail created interface label ideogram with glowing highlights and an AI generated thumbnail displayed inside. On one side, show a shocked YouTuber from behind, I don't know how to pronounce it, or slightly blurred, staring at the screen, and add a large dramatic text overlay. Best AI yet in bold. So does that make sense? Best AI yet, or best thumbnail, AI thumbnail, sorry, best AI thumbnail. So you have to pay attention to the prompt that it gave you, because the way your prompt sounds, the way your image will also look like. So high contrast font, background should be clean but dramatic, maybe a futuristic digital workspace with AI symbols or glowing code pattern. Use vivid lighting to emphasize the ideogram interface and the question text. Overall, the style should look tech savvy, premium, and intrigue viewers to click and find out more, right? This is literally amazing. So the next I'm gonna do is to work on these features right here. You can see probably you can see this style. So since we're generating thumbnails, so I'm gonna leave it just like that, 16.9. Then we also have the default, so the image will be our most advanced model. So I think it's okay like this. I'm not going to change any of this, but you can also reduce it if you don't want up to 4 images. You can reduce to 2 or 3 depending on what you want. And you can also select on this realistic. I don't know what test you might see auto actually. So but me, I like realistic, right? So you can see random, you can see general, you can see design. So me, I like realistic, so I'm going to be selecting realistic. And on the color section, you can select any color you have in mind that you want actually want your thumbnails to look like. But then me, I actually want it to be automatic. So I want it to do the judgment by itself. So I want you to do its work on that particular part. So the next I'm going to do is just to click on generate. You can see use 4 credits. So this is going to use 4 credits, and if you're using free version, I think you have like 10 credits thereabout. And if you reduce this image right here on this default, so if you reduce this image to 2 maybe, then probably you'll be able to reduce the size of the credit that is going to cost you probably. But then I think 4 is okay. Then I'm gonna click on generate. All right, so you can see getting magic prompt, and then the image is generating already. So we're gonna wait for that to generate. So you can see it's on 49%, 90%. I think that's done, and then boom, you can see that what we are already seeing is really amazing. So let's check it. So Ideogram best AI thumbnail yet. You can see the thumbnail that I added now show, but if I didn't add that, it will have been like best AI yet, right? So, and then that sounds somehow. So let's check on another one, best AI thumbnail yet. This is also okay, right? So you can see another one, best AI thumbnail yet. I don't think I actually like this, but then I think this also makes sense, best AI thumbnail yet. So I'm gonna be playing with these 3 thumbnails, so I don't know which one exactly you're gonna be saying in this video, but then trust me, I'm very sure you're gonna like any of them that you're gonna be clicking, right? So, and trust me, there are different kind of styles of thumbnails you can actually create with Ideogram, and you're gonna love it. Like, I mean, you're gonna love it. So this is what I think Ideogram is actually power of doing, and then there is a lot of them right there. It depends on how you play with your prompt to get you the amazing results you actually want, right? So that is all I have for you in this video about Ideogram review and how you can actually use it to create a thumbnail for your video. And if you have any question, you can let me know, or if there is any kind of prompts you actually want me to work on with Ideogram, you can let me know in the comment section, and I'll try as much as possible to get that done just for you. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.